Retro cartoon mascots are the perfect design style for selling t-shirts in your print-on-demand business. Today I'm going to show you how to create retro cartoon mascots from scratch using Kittl, and I'll give you some tips on this type of design. If you want to get inspired before you start, there are hundreds of cartoon mascots templates in Kittl that you can use as inspiration for your design. By the way, if you haven't signed up for Kittl yet, use the link in the description to start creating your own personalized mascot.
You can start by choosing a blank element or illustration. Since I already knew that I wanted a lemon mascot, I searched for lemon illustrations and chose this really cute cartoonish lemon. Make sure you stick to a cartoonish style and go over border weight and add a stroke around your illustration. That's going to make your mascot appear much more cartoonish and actually match with the rest of the mascot elements. So if you go over elements and illustrations, you'll notice that we have a whole section dedicated to mascot elements. You can look for that, or simply type mascot in the search bar on the top of the menu and you'll find the same elements. Check out all of those new cool elements to create your own mascot. That is honestly print-on-demand heaven. Amazing resource right here, guys. You can choose eyes, nose, and mouth separately and create your own face as well. But I chose one of the pre-ready faces, which honestly are adorable. There are some grumpy ones, but this one is perfect for my design. I'll just go ahead and choose some arms and legs for him. Now it's time to resize and reposition the face, legs, and arms. I'm gonna drag the corners to resize the elements. Try to make everything look the same size and proportional. Also, try to match your design color. I changed his little nose to yellow as well, because it would only make sense that a lemon has a yellow nose, right? For proportions, trust your optical measurement skills, honestly. I wasn't feeling how the left arm was looking, so I changed it to this little finger pointed up. I think it looks more playful. Okay, so this part is more of a tip or an idea. Notice how the outside stroke is only, well, outside, right? And the leaf edge didn't have a stroke. So what I did was I looked for a similar basic element shape, which wasn't hard to find because Kittl has a lot of different shapes in the library, and I positioned right on top of the leaf's border. Added some green shapes to fill in some gaps, adjusted the border weight as well to match the rest of the lemon, and now it looks way better. Let's change his shoes color as well to match his little yellow color. I added a nice round shadow under him that is very characteristic of retro cartoon mascots, so if that's your first time doing this type of design, that is a nice tip for you. Just drag the top and side of the shape to make it look like an eclipse. Make sure to right-click over the shape and send it to the back. Now, if you click on the background, you notice the status menu will appear to change the background color, so I changed it to an off-white beige color. Okay, nice. I'm adding some cute sparkles from the spot element section. And of course, don't forget to add the outline stroke to match the whole cartoonish feeling. Now it's time for text. Add a headline on the text menu or simply just press T on your keyboard to add text. My plan is to make some fonts around. It's something that I personally love doing. I wanted to use a sans serif and serif fonts. So I chose Source Serif Pro for the main headline and the semi-bold weight because the regular weight felt a little off to me. Now I just pressed Alt and dragged the text to duplicate it. But check this out. This time I'm gonna add an outline stroke the same color as the background to give that offset path effect when I position the two texts together. Go over Effect, Block Shadow, drag the offset and angle all the way down, and increase the outline width using the same color as the background. Now I'm just going to reposition the text to a layout I like. By the way, I know I spelled lemonade wrong. I know, okay, I know, I fixed that off camera. Let's pretend we're not seeing that it's written lemonade. Thanks. So this is where I use the sans serif font. I chose Fig Tree for this design, but I think Call Sans will look really nice in this design as well. But I wanted to use different weights for make lemons, and life will be like, what? By the way, who got the reference? Now, let's have a look at how the design will look in real life. The mockup feature is amazing for print-on-demand sellers because if you want to sell a product, you and your clients probably want to see how it looks like in real life. And we all know that sometimes taking pictures of your products can be a little difficult. So why not just show a mockup? I love how this looks on a t-shirt, but I think this will look really nice as a poster as well. Like to sell it as prints, you know? So let's see it framed. Oh yeah, I love it. Nice.
And that was the final results. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kittl's YouTube channel to see more videos like this. I'm beyond excited to see your creations using the Mascot Elements update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.